Quick video looking at adding Excel charts into Microsoft Word. So top left hand corner, you've got all your tabs. Make sure you select the Insert tab. Once on the Insert tab, you've got two options. You come down to Table and you could select the Excel spreadsheet option, number one. But what I actually want to do, I want to get rid of that. What I actually want to do is come along and select Chart. So if you need to add a chart and integrate it into Word to give it as an assignment or essay, you go down, I'll select a pie chart. If you come to the right, you've got these various options at the top to choose. So I'm going to select 3D pie chart and click OK. And it will automatically integrate with Excel. And now I can change the data here. So we look at first quarter, and you can see at the bottom the color code in there. So that's going to be my blue, 8.2. So I'm going to change that to 10. Click the Enter key, and you can see how it changes in real time. And once you've added all your data, you can close that. And that's how easy it is to add a chart to your Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.